Hey guys, I'm Bro and you're watching Your Plant Ego. Do you know the seeds you buy every season might be hybrid? They grow once and then you have to buy again. But what if I've told you the vegetables growing in your home right now can give you unlimited free seeds for a lifetime? Yes, instead of wasting money on the market, you can grow your own organic seeds at home. Pure, natural, and high germination. And guess what? You can even sell these seeds and start a small business from your garden. Stay till the end, I'll show you how to pack your own seeds. Why we are choosing tomatoes and green chilies? We are using tomatoes and green chilies because most common vegetables in every home, super easy to collect seeds, fast selling vegetables, great for business. Their seeds dry quickly and last long. So guys, you need to grab a fully ripe healthy tomato, cut it and scoop out the seeds with gel into a bowl. Add a little water and mix. Leave for 24 hours. Strong seed sinks, weak ones float. Remove the floating ones. Spread good seeds on a tissue paper and let them dry for 2-3 days. Store in a paper packet and your pure organic tomato seeds are ready. So let's talk about green chili. So choose a fully green chili, chili milli, mature chili. This ensures the seeds inside are strong and ready to grow. Cut the chili gently and tap out the seeds in a bowl. Now spread the seeds on a dry compost or a cocoa peat. This helps them dry naturally while keeping them seeds healthy and nutrient rich. Let them dry in a shade for 2-3 days, not in a direct sunlight. When they fully dry, store them in a paper or plastic pouch. They will stay fresh and grow faster when planted. At the starting, you can use your own plastic pouches or you can add your brand name and start selling. People love organic seeds. Grow more, save more, like, share, and subscribe for more gardening hacks.